UI UX designer, and I'll be here to show you on how to understand the tools of Figma. That's the tools of Figma. So I will be sharing my screen on my system, explaining how you make use of the tools of Figma. So we have several tools of Figma, right? So yeah, it is.
So first we have to look for Figma, right? So here we search. This is the opening of Figma, and here is the page of Figma. On this page there are different tools that you need to understand from the beginning. So I will be explaining the tools on Figma for you today. So this is actually one of the tools on Figma. It's called Move. So it's used to move around on your page, move around on your page. So we also have the other. It's a hand tools: grab, drag, grab, drag, grab, drag, grab, drag, grab, and drag. So we use this to grab and drag. So this is like sliding. So we actually don't really need this as a beginner. So we're going to the frame. This is the frame. So we have frame. So frame comes with, that's like iPhone there, phone. This is a freehand sketching of frame, right? Change the color to black. Yeah, black. So you can move it around with the hand tools. So this is section. This is to section let's say your own page designing. So it's for sectioning whatever you're designing. Let's say the onboarding page, the home page of your design. So like several designs, the pages, the frames of your design. Understand? So that's like home page, right? Yeah, home page. So you put your frame inside the home page. So let's pull out original frame. Let's pick iPhone 13 Pro. Sorry. Yeah, so that is iPhone 16 Pro. So we have to increase the section because you must not adjust the frame. Yeah, increase the section, then put the frame in already inside. So you use the the grab and move to move your frame, and make sure you don't drag your frame for oversizing. Yeah, so it's inside the section already now. So this for slide. You use it to select like a side of something you want to design, maybe changing the color of that particular place. You understand? So you can actually change the color, but you are not making use of it. See, if I should use it now, I can actually change the color and cover the black, but we're not making use of it right now as a beginner. We don't need it, so it's deleted. So this is pen tools, pen and pencil tools. So this is the pen tool. So it's used for sketching. Let's say there's a logo that you can't make use of, like you can't draw, you can't have, so you use this to sketch it out. Just, you can also use to draw any shape you feel like you want to. So just points, other points. The press escape. So it is more like a condo, but it wasn't designed well because I just needed to do it as an example for you guys. So this, you can also use this to, like I said, for sketching. You can also use this to draw something that you feel like you can't get. So you can use this. You can use this to draw icons. Yeah, simple icons. You can actually use this to draw icons. So I'm just doing like a freehand sketching for you just to know what it's used for. You stand. So I'm just doing a freehand sketching for you guys. So you just know what it's used for. Mhm. So you press your shift button and this to make it straight. So I'm selecting my drawings for you to see. You can change the color red. So that place didn't change because I didn't select it. But let's take away our eyes off it. Let's just face what we're trying to do. So this is tools. That's text tools, and you actually saw me using it from the beginning. So I'm just writing, how are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. So that's the text tools, like I said, right? So we have the shape tools. I shouldn't skip that. I skipped it already. So we have shape tools. This is rectangle. So if you want to get a good shape of a rectangle, right, you have to press down your shift. You have to press down your shift. Let me adjust that. Come in. So you okay? You press down your shift and the shape. Press down your shift and draw your shape for you to get a correct rectangle like this. If you don't press down your shift, it won't be straight. It will have equal sizes. You understand? So that's just the point of that. Yeah. So at the end of this, so I'm actually writing it down so you can see well. So we also have the line. So like I said, press down your shift to make it straight. The arrow, press down your shift to make it straight. The circle, press down your shift to make it straight. The triangle, press down your shift to make it straight. The star, press down your shift to make it straight. And this is for inserting images. Images. So it's actually loading. So I'm going to pick my picture now. Yeah, this. Open. So what I just have to do now is when it comes up, right, I'll just drag, press down my shift, still drag. So this is me, my picture. Yeah. So that's just that. So this is for comments. For comments, let's say you have a teamwork, you have team like together, you are trying to design something together, or you are working with a company, right? So this you use this to communicate. You stand. Let's say you have to make correction on the design, so you just comment on whatever you feel like okay needs correction. So this is used in a teamwork, or when you share your work with your friend and they are trying to give you review, so they will not want to leave the design, so they don't forget the review to like give you, so they just drop their review that okay, hey, change this color, hey, don't use that. So that is it. It is that for that. So we don't need this as a beginner. Oh yeah, sorry, we need this. Sorry, I thought it was the whole other slide. So this is assets, and for inserting some stuff that you need. We don't need that. We don't need that. Yeah, we've done all these tools, explain. Mm-hmm. So I wanted to like, so this is frame. This is phone frame. We have iPhone, we have Android. So it depends on which frame you need. So this is tablet, depending on the tablet frame you need. That is tablet. So this is desktop, depending on the desktop size you need. And this is presentation. So depending on the size you need, and that depending on the size you need, depending on the size paper, depending on the size you need. Also depending on the size you need, depending on the size you need, depending on the size you need for all frames. So you don't feel like, oh, you can draw your frame. So this is for iPhone 16. So what you just have to do, press the frame, like click on frame, then pick the iPhone that you want. Don't do freehand sketching in drawing frames. This is really, really wrong. Very wrong. Very, very wrong. See, you can't find the frame that is named like this. Can you? No, you cannot. You can never find it because it was a freehand sketch frame drawing that you just did. You can't find it. So it's really wrong. Pretty wrong. Don't do that. So now let's check this. See, it's on iPhone 16. That's our frame. But this, oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. All right. See, doesn't have a frame size, nothing at all. So it's really a bad work, totally a bad work. So please, so don't do this, don't do this. That's delete. So this is the frame, main frame, main frame. Change to white. Change page color, gray. Okay, ash. Is that ash or gray? That's terrible. Oh, sorry. So I just hope with this little explanation, you guys just get what all these tools are for. So I will be saying thank you very much. Thank you so much. I really hope this helps you guys a lot, and you are able to understand the tools of Figma without a stress. So please watch out for my part 2. I will be explaining the design parts of Figma, and I won't be going into prototyping yet because we have to understand the strategy of designing first of all. So I'm actually writing this so that you can see I'm putting on this because I'm also using my voice to tell you the next thing to do. So please, we'll be talking about how to design a mobile interface in our next class. Thank you very much. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Miriam by name. Have a lovely day.
With that, the 2025 season comes to an end.